Hi everyone, I'm Mark Rosenthal with you on this Wednesday with the Cape Cod Weatherblast forecast. We have a major nor'easter on the way, so let's get right into it here, folks. First of all, with the forecast today being brought to you by our good friends at Etsy's Wine Bar and Bistro, located on Main Street in Dennisport. They have a full bar, great wine list, great food, flat screen TVs, and so much more. Give them a call at 508 258 0805. All right, let's check out the weather headline. We're talking about the fact a major storm is coming. Starts as snow for us Thursday morning. It might change to rain and sleet for a while. If that happens, it will go back to snow before the storm is done during the afternoon. It's over at night, then dangerous cold and wind will follow here on Friday. Now, here's some of the storm highlights. We could have blizzard conditions even on the Cape for a while. If enough warm air comes in, it may go to rain and sleet and then back to snow. Certainly, flooding at the time of high tide is a good possibility. Northeast winds 35 to 70 miles an hour. Then dangerous wind chills here on Friday of 20 degrees below zero. Let's jump ahead here. This is off the latest European model for 8 o'clock tomorrow morning. Low pressure developing well east of Cape Hatteras, intensifying quickly, throwing snow into southern New England. And by 1 o'clock in the afternoon, we have quite a gale center located 150 or 200 miles to the southeast of Nantucket, moving steadily off to the northeast while intensifying all the while. And by 8 o'clock at night, it's snowing pretty good here in the Cape. Any rain or sleet would go back to snow. But there's a 947 millibar low just south of Nova Scotia with a howling north and northwest winds. So the forecast for the Cape and the Islands goes like this. We'll show you the snowfall map in a second. Partly sunny, less cold today. Low in mid-30s, going to feel like a heat wave. Cloudy over down to the upper 20s. Snow could break out by dawn. Here's the snowfall on the Cape. I'm being conservative, 4 to perhaps as much as 8 inches. If there's no change or mix, we could get over a foot. I'm thinking a foot from the canal to Boston to Providence and southeastern Connecticut. So we'll be following this for you folks very carefully. All right, the 5-day looks like this. We're talking about snow to mix or maybe to rain tomorrow, then back to snow in the mid-30s and rapidly falling temperatures before dark. Everything's going to freeze solid tomorrow night with a storm force north wind. And on Friday, partly sunny, partly cloudy, windy, bitter cold, about 12. Wind chills well below zero. The icebox continues on Saturday with strong winds, 15. Increasing clouds on Sunday, could be snow or rain at night, going to rain on Monday with temperatures rising into the lower 40s. So there you have it. That's my forecast. Thanks for checking in. Please stay tuned for updates. I'm Mark Rosenthal.